First, for the Sauerbraten, you need to boil all the ingredients for the marinade and you put it over the meat. And now you just let marinate for minimum 2 days. And now we sear the meat on all sides, very nice, getting brown on all sides. And then we add the vegetables. And we pour the marinade over it. There we go, that is, it looks like it's cooked. It has been cooked for 2 hours, 2 hours and a half. So what we're going to do now is I will remove the meat. And we're going to strain the sauce. And now we can add the 2 spoons of the red currant jelly. And the diced apple. And you can let simmer for another 5-10 minutes. Let the apple cooked and give the flavor to the sauce. And then we add the other half cup of dry raisins. Then we taste the sauce. We want the sauce sweet and sour from the vinegar, and then if it's not sweet enough, it's too sour, we can add sugar or more jelly, and it's quite ready. So this is the Rheinischer Sauerbraten, and it's the best served with a potato dumpling.